Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family's future with New York Life step by step clearly. Start by assessing your family's current financial situation and future needs. Gather important documents such as income statements, debts, and current insurance policies. Identify your family's financial goals, including education, retirement, and emergency funds. Research New York Life's various insurance and investment products that align with your goals. Schedule a consultation with a New York Life agent who specializes in family protection and planning. Discuss your family's unique needs and concerns during the meeting. Ask about different life insurance options, such as term life, whole life, and universal life. Understand the premiums and coverage amounts that suit your budget and requirements. Explore additional financial products, like annuities and long-term care insurance. Evaluate how each product fits into your overall financial strategy. Consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Create a comprehensive plan that outlines everything discussed with your agent. Regularly review and update your plan to accommodate changes in your family's circumstances or financial goals. Take action by applying for the chosen insurance and investment products. Ensure to inform your family about the plan and how to access it if needed. Stay in touch with your New York Life agent for guidance and support over time. Celebrate taking proactive steps toward securing your family's financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.